All right, hey, I've got something I want to show you that maybe you wouldn't know of. You'd figure it out, especially if you have a home charger. Most of your home chargers have a connector that looks like that, okay? That's your typical, it's universal. But Hyundai has worked out a deal with Tesla, and that's your Tesla connector. So now, when you're looking for electricity and all you have is a Tesla charger, you can't charge it up, except now you can. You just plug this guy in. That's your connector. Now you can go to a Tesla charger, plug your unit in, and the cable in the back, and you're good to go. Not bad. They say it's not quite as quick as a Tesla, but it's better than nothing. See? Something you would know if I didn't tell you.